you ever wished to send the automated personalized WhatsApp messages to all your contacts without doing it all manually? Then this video is definitely for you. In this video, I'm going to show you a super easy way that you can use to send automated personalized WhatsApp messages to all your WhatsApp contacts, that too unlimited from one click. So here on the screen, you can see an automated personalized WhatsApp message that I've received on my phone for the Christmas sale of my brand. And now in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can automate this entire process of sending unlimited WhatsApp messages to your WhatsApp contacts in one click. So here for this process, we are going to use the all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform that is Pabbly Chatflow. And here to access Pabbly Chatflow, you need to search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. So here I've already purchased Pabbly's lifetime deal to use Pabbly for automating my entire business automation, that too for lifetime. And here on the screen, you can see a special code that I've attached for you so that you can get some amazing discount on your Pabbly purchase as well. Alright, so now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the access now. And it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So here I've already connected my WhatsApp number inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. And here to connect yours, you need to click on this Add WhatsApp Number button and here you can see two options. One is WhatsApp Connect and the another one is Manual Token Connect. So WhatsApp Connect is a preferred method over here. That means you must use this method to add a WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. And here if you wish to learn about any of the method in detail, then you can watch out the video link available in the description box below for the same. Alright, this is how you can add a WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Now let me tell you that it offers some amazing features that are available inside Pabbly Chatflow in the left side bar. So here if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can watch out the videos dedicated to each of the feature available in the description box below and on our YouTube channel as well. Alright, so now after adding your business WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account, you need to make sure that you have a Google Sheet ready with the phone numbers and the name of your customers or users to whom you want to send this particular message. And one more thing that you need to keep in your mind is that if you want to send a template message to all your customers or leads, then you need to create a template for the same first. So here to access this template section, you need to click on this templates option and from here you need to access templates list. Under this you can see all your approved templates. Here to create a one, you need to click on this add template button and here you can add some details and create your own template as per your requirement. To learn how you can create this template, we have a separate video for the same on our YouTube channel. And here if you don't wish to send the template message to your customers or leads, then don't need to worry. You can send a simple message to all your customers and leads as well. Alright, now let's move forward to see how we can send this automated personalized message to all our contacts in once, that too safely and without performing any complicated steps. So now here to set this process, you need to access a feature of Pabbly Chatflow that is broadcast available in the left side bar. Now here in this broadcast section, we are going to click on this add broadcast to create a new broadcast. And then here under this WhatsApp broadcast, you need to scroll it a little down. So here you need to select the broadcast campaign as your broadcast type. And then for the broadcast name, I'm going to keep it as sale offers. Alright, let's move forward. Then comes the select contacts list. So let's learn how you can create this contact list first in Pabbly Chatflow. For that, we are going to access this contact section in a new tab. And here in the contact section, you need to click on this add contact button. And here you can see two options. One is add single contact and the another one is add bulk contacts. So you need to select this bulk contacts option and then here you need to upload the CSV file for your contact list. So as you all know that we have a contact list in a Google Sheet over here. So you need to download this file in a CSV format. So for that you need to click on this file option, then go to this download and from here you can download this file in .csv format as well because only this format is accepted for the bulk contact. After downloading the file, you can upload the same same file by clicking on this option and selecting the file to upload, and automatically it is going to upload the same file over here. After that, you need to select this duplicate record settings, and then you need to click on this add contact, and automatically a list for your bulk contacts will be created inside Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, so here you can see I have some existing lists in my Pabbly Chatflow account, so I'm going to use an existing one only. And now here, if you wish to learn about this contact section in detail, then you can watch out the video that is available on our YouTube channel for the same. Alright, so we are going to use one of these contact lists to send the automate personalized WhatsApp message to our bulk contacts. So let me take you to my broadcast section, and under this we are going to select the contact list. Let's suppose that we are going to select the contact list as new sales, but you can select multiple lists over here as well. Alright, this is how you can select the multiple contact list. For now, I'm going to send it to one contact list only. Alright, so this was all about the contact list. Let's move forward. Then comes the select message type. So you can see two options over here. One is pre-approved template message and the another one is regular message. So here I've already discussed about the template message that I've shown you in the starting, and the other one is regular message. So here in this regular message section, you can send the regular message as well to all your contacts in bulk. Let's suppose we can add the message as hey, how are you? So this is a small message, and you can simply send this regular message as well to all your contacts at once. But for now, I'm going to use my pre-approved template message. So for that, we are going to click on the select WhatsApp template, and here I've already created a template for my Christmas sale that is approved over here as well. So I'm going to select that template over here. So this is the template that I've created, and as you can see in the message that I have attached an image as well in my template. Alright, so here you can see a blank space for the image. So we can simply add a file URL over here by uploading the file. We're going to click on this option, and from here I'm going to select that particular file, and you can see automatically the file URL has been updated, and this is the file that I want to send. Alright, this was all about the file section. Then here you can see the body field value as name. So here you can see this name is added over here after this hi. So this is the one variable that I've added for the customer's name, because I want to send the personalized WhatsApp messages to all my WhatsApp contacts at once. Okay, so here I've used this variable. Basically, variables makes our text dynamic. So here I want this one should be replaced with my customer or lead's name, and the message should be sent like this with the name of my lead or customer. So here, to make this information dynamic, what we are going to do is that we are going to use contact custom field. So to access this contact custom fields, let's click on the settings, and from here we are going to select contact custom fields. Under contact custom fields, if you're using a new account, you can see only 4 contact custom fields. One is name, another is mobile number, then comes last name and the first name. So these are some global contact custom fields. But if you're using an old account, then you can see multiple contact custom fields over here. So here, as you know that I have made this customer name as my dynamic field. So we're going to copy the value for the same, and then we're going to add it over here. Now this information has been made as dynamic. That means as per the contact name, this message will be sent to all our customers as per their name. Alright, so with this we have successfully added all the required details. Now we're going to click on this done. And with this we have successfully added a WhatsApp template in our broadcast. Alright, let's move forward. Then it is asking us to add the username and the phone numbers. So basically, by adding a username and the phone number over here, you can test this template to see how this template is going to be sent to all your customers. So here we are going to test this broadcast message by sending this message on my WhatsApp number only. So here for the username, I'm going to add the name as test user, and here I'm going to add the phone number, and here I'm going to add my own phone number. Alright, so here after adding the number, let's click on this send test message. And you can see it says test broadcast sent. So let's go and check our WhatsApp. And here you can see we have received a new message where we have received my contact name, and this is the entire message that we have received. Tested this broadcast over here. Alright, then comes the schedule broadcast. So here we can schedule this broadcast as well, or we can send it instantly. So let's schedule this broadcast for the later date. I'm going to click on this yes option, and here you can see it is asking me to select the date and the time. So you can see the format that it accepts is month, day, year, and for the time it is hours and minute. So here, while entering this date, make sure if you're adding a past date, then it is going to send this broadcast message instantly to all your WhatsApp contacts. So I'm going to select this date for the future. I'm going to select the date as 20th December, and here we're going to select the time as 2 p.m. Alright, so this is the date that you can see with the month, day and the year, and this is the time. Then we're going to click on this add broadcast message. And with this, we have successfully created a new broadcast. You can see it is scheduled over here with the name sale offers, and this is the entire details. Now, after sending this broadcast message, you can also view the stats for the same. Let's view the stats of the sent broadcast over here by clicking on this view stats button. And here you can see the rate of sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored, and the failed as well over here. So this is the amazing feature that Pabbly Chatflow offers to follow with the stats of the broadcast message that you have sent to all your contacts. Alright, this was the entire process of sending unlimited WhatsApp messages to all your WhatsApp contacts in bulk, that too in one click. Alright, I hope these steps were clear to you. Now, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. And if you're planning to buy Pabbly, then make sure you use my discount code that you can find in the description box as well for your ease. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only this, you can create many such WhatsApp chatbots and AI assistants for your own business with Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then please visit this URL. Now, if you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.